All right, big update on the Microsoft outage that's really crippled several sectors. You have a message that's now been issued by the Civil Aviation Ministry in India, and the guidelines there underscores a manual backup system that's been implemented, assuring people that the issue will be resolved, at least in India, as soon as possible. Civil Aviation of the Civil Ministry of the Civil Aviation there in collaboration with AAI has implemented manual backup system to maintain operational continuity. The Civil Ministry and the AAI closely monitoring the situation, coordinating with Microsoft for swift resolution. This is an update coming in from the Civil Aviation Ministry that there is a backup system that they're currently working on and they're trying to swiftly resolve it. And that specifically includes a collaboration with AAI that's implemented a manual backup system to maintain operational continuity. Big development as a message coming in from the Civil Aviation Minister. Remember, whatever said, India has a huge influx of passengers into airports. And if we have to shift the entire digital check-in system into manual gear, it's going to be a Herculean task. Assurance, a word of assurance coming in from the Civil Aviation Minister. Let's listen in.
ఎయిర్వేస్ కి సంబంధించి ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ తాలూకా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఒకటి అజూర్ అన్న సాఫ్ట్వేర్ క్లౌడ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ దాంట్లో చిన్న సమస్య వచ్చింది. దానివల్ల ప్రధానంగా అమెరికాలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఫ్లైట్స్ కి ఎక్కువ సమస్య వస్తుంది. నేను ఇప్పుడే మా తాలూకా సెక్రటరీతో కూడా మాట్లాడాను. మన భారతదేశంలో ఆ సమస్య ఎక్కడ కూడా ఇబ్బంది లేకుండా ఫ్లైట్లన్నీ కూడా ప్రశాంతంగా తిరగడానికి టెక్నికల్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సిస్టమ్ నుంచి మాన్యువల్ సిస్టమ్ కి మూవ్ అయ్యి ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా దాని మీద చర్యలు తీసుకుంటున్నారు. ప్రస్తుతానికి భారతదేశంలో దానికి సంబంధించి ఇబ్బంది లేదు. మరి ఇంకా ఏదైనా ఉన్నా సరే ఇమీడియట్ గా దాని మీద రియాక్ట్ అయ్యి ప్రయాణికులకి ఎక్కడ ఇబ్బంది లేకుండా చర్యలు తీసుకుంటామని తెలియజేస్తున్నాం.
Disruptions in airports across India. Well, let's cut across to our reporters. We have all our reporters at different airports currently bringing us updates on what the situation is, how crowded it is, the agonizing wait for the passengers. Suryagni Roy joining us live from Kolkata. We have Aishwarya Paliwal from Delhi Airport. Dev Kotak joining us from the Mumbai Airport. Suryagni, let me start with you. What's happening at the Kolkata Airport? Could you elaborate? Has there been any word of advice given to passengers? We know all airlines have asked their passengers to arrive at the airports early because it's going to be a manual system of check-in. Take us through what's behind you.
Well, Nabila, the situation seems to have, smoothened up ever since, since we have been reporting over here. What we had seen initially at around, let's say, 1:32, the system has somewhere it has developed and it's falling into place. Right now, this chart that we are showing you, the electronic one, many were, delayed. It's not that, the ones that were delayed, it's been completely rectified or something, but yes, multiple of those delayed flights, they are being boarded or it's being brought on track. So the way we saw the things over here in the first hour when we came, and there's some sense of a transformation. One thing that is very important over here, that these DigiYatra registration kiosks which are here, they have been working, and these were not really working in many of the airports in different parts of the country. We'll ask this person over here. ये चल रहा है
अभी ये चल रहा है, लेकिन इंडिगो का इनवैलिड आ रहा है कुछ
इंडिगो का इनवैलिड आ रहा है, और बाकी किसी यात्री को ये निकालने में दूसरे किसी एयरलाइन से प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा?
नहीं, दूसरे किसी में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
ये डाउन हुआ था क्या आज
सारा दिन दोपहर से डाउन था थोड़ा.
दोपहर से डाउन था. कब से रीस्टार्ट हुआ?
रीस्टार्ट कुछ एयरलाइन अभी भी इस तरह जैसे चल रहा है. एयर इंडिया भी चल रहा है, ठीक है, स्पाइसजेट ये भी चल रहा है, लेकिन इंडिगो जो पैसेंजर आ रहा है सबका इनवैलिड आ रहा है.
So we heard it from the horse's mouth. These were down for a while in the afternoon. Then again, the Indigo ones are not, it's still down, as he's been saying. He's an airport authority person. These are DigiYatra, kiosks. So one can, take out a Digi slip and get, smoothly enter.
Suryagni, I'm going to try and cut to Aishwarya, who's also at one of the busiest airports in the world. The Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport, we know, is crowded at this point. Aishwarya, what's behind you? What kind of direction have the airlines given to their passengers? Have people got a message?
tell you the chaos somewhat has subsided. If we speak about the Delhi airport, the boards which actually were showing no information just a couple of hours ago are now functioning properly. But one thing that you will be able to notice is that most of the airlines, they are in the check-in mode at the moment, and that's because it's just one or two airlines that you are seeing which have been cancelled, and an airline flying from Delhi to Jaipur has been cancelled. Apart from that, there's just one flight to Jaipur which has been delayed. Otherwise, all of them mostly are working round the clock, and they are making sure that the passengers reach the spot on time. It's not just that. Let me also just show you quickly, Nabila, the queue. We could see serpentine queues just almost 2 hours ago, but now things have started moving smoothly. So we can say that the chaos somewhat has subsided, and the manual checking, that's what, Nabila, you were also speaking about the fact that the Aviation Ministry is in touch with the AAI, that is the Airport Authorities of India. So now they are working towards shifting the gear and working towards manual things. The serpentine queues have now, drastically, the number of passengers in the queue, Nabila, have
one
reduced,
should,
and now we
Aishwarya,
can
I'm
see
sure
that
you'd
almost
agree
all
with
the
me, one should really laud the resilience of India and the Indian airlines who bounced back so quickly, maybe much before the ones abroad have, because we're quite used to working with the manual system. And we know that our ground staff have been working relentlessly and round the clock to ensure a seamless affair, though it's not going to be seamless for sure, because this is something that was never anticipated. Huge crowds, certainly, but we're looking at 5:10 p.m. precisely. We're bringing you live coverage at 5:10 p.m. Airports across India that was slightly chaotic about an hour ago I do finally see some kind of normalcy. So we're quite happy there. Aishwarya, I'm going to come back